welcome viewers, and thank you for watching my videos and subscribing. I'm Alan Keys, and it's been a while. I've never posted a tutorial before. People have been requesting, telling me that I do some tutorials, and I think I have to do one, but I'll start with simple ones so that at least everybody can benefit from it. So my cameraman, you can just come nearer, and I'm going to do a song, Tunaomba Uwepo Wako Uende Nasi. And that song, I'm just going to do it in the key of F sharp, which I think most people are familiar with that key, and you'll be blessed. So subscribe to my channel and continue supporting me. So cameraman, and just move nearer. So start. Tunaomba uwepo wako uende nasi, uwe Bwana wa majeshi, tusikie. Kama uendi nasi, hatutaki kutoka, hatuwezi peke yetu kwenda nasi. So up to there, how I started with 1, then 2, naomba 3, uwepo wako 4, uende nasi. Then I went 4, then ewe Bwana wa 6, then this is E chord major, then 5, which is C sharp major, then 3, kama and this is B flat minor, kama and D nasi 4, which is B major, D at 9. Hatutaki kutoka 2, hatutaki kutoka hapa 3, then hatuwezi peke yetu kwenda nasi. So I'm just going to play it. So for the last time, tunaomba uwepo wako uende nasi, ewe Bwana wa ma6, tusikie. Then 3, kama uendi nasi 4, then 2, hatutaki kutoka 3, 4, hatuwezi peke yetu kwenda nasi. Then the chorus, tutavu mapambo yetu, vitu vyote vya thamani kwetu. So what I did there, tutavua, this is sus 2, 1 sus 2, tutavua mapambo yetu 7, 5, 3 to 6, 2 kama 2 major, mioyo yetu twaleta mbele zako, utakase na utembee nasi. So what I did there, I played tutavua, this one at 9, pambo yetu 7, vitu vyote 6, 2 major, amani kwetu 5, then mioyo yetu 1 at 9, twaleta 7 tambele. So this one, mbele zako 4, takase na utembee nasi. So these chords I used here, I used 1 at 9, tutavua mapambo yenu, mioyo yetu twaleta 7, then 4. This is B minor, takase, then C diminished, now tembe nasi. So just like that. So the chords I used, 1 and 9. Then this one is C sharp minor, first inversion. Then I played 4. Then I played B minor. Then I played 1/5.